Hello guys, today we are going to explain you how to repair this seatbelt in a Grand Cherokee, Jeep Grand Cherokee 2005. How to repair this thing that is stuck in the rear seat. So the first step is to pull out these bullets in the bottom of the seat, like this. Come on, Oliver. So now we are going to take the seats, this part, take it off of the car, and then I will explain you the second step. Okay, so guys, the second part, when you took off the screws there, the second step is to remove the seats, like this.
I'm very sick.
So now you can see all the mechanism. So the second step will be take this screw off, and then you can play with the seat belt.
¡Hostias! Está bien para arriba, ¿no? Sí.
Yes. Sometimes it's a little bit hard, but this guy is very strong, so I think he can do it. If the screw is a little bit hard, you can use something to help you to move the screwdriver, like Oliver is doing. Like, it's easier because sometimes it's very difficult to take out the screw.
Estamos en el aire.
So guys, when you take this screw off here, just remove this, and now it's working again. See? Just this, it's very simple. Just do this. Now it's working again. Then the next step is to put this again, to put the seats again, and we will find. So that's it, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.
Woo!